Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan here, your English teacher, and this time I have taken LC, that is your practice book, grammar section. I have taken grammar section for your practice. So as you are well aware, it is assignment 4, and here in this grammar section I have taken to rearrange the words in a meaningful sentence. So here, fed, died, a quick promises lost weight. So we will organize it. Fed, died, promises, a fed, died. So here we will mention a in the beginning. A fed, died, promises, quick weight loss. Next will be is usually /8 unbalanced and healthy and. So we will rearrange it in this way. It is usually unbalanced and unhealthy. Next is here choices food of restrictive or vary. So here we will write here in this way. Choices of food are very restrictive. Next is here long term ineffective they over are. So after rearranging it will be they are ineffective over long term. So this is all about your rearranging the sentence into meaningful rearranging the words into a meaningful sentence. Next is here complete the following paragraph by filling the blanks with the help of the given options. So options have been given. You are well aware about this. So first we will read here during, then dash, hottest part of the year, many of our city streets seem to be on fire with. So here in first line options are here a, the, and some. So the very near answer, the means appropriate answer will be the, because here hottest part is the superlative degree and before superlative degree we use the. Next here seem to be on fire with masses of gulmohar, because if we attach something with something else then we use with. So here क्योंकि गुलमोहर के फूल अटैच हैं उस स्ट्रीट ब्यूटी के साथ में और इस फ्लावर्स को क्योंकि अटैच किया गया है सो हम यहाँ पे विद मेंशन करेंगे. और इन द लास्ट लाइन वी विल राइट हियर इज, वी विल चूज टू राइट इज, क्योंकि यहाँ पे गुलमोहर के पेड़ की बात की गई है और दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल ट्रीज, मतलब गुलमोहर का जो पेड़ है वो सारे ब्यूटीफुल ट्रीज में से एक है. सो इट इज टेलिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टेंस, सो वी विल यूज इज. हियर वन exercise is here about 100 dresses part 2. So here paragraph has been given. I am sure that none of the boys and girls in room 13 would purposely and deliberately hurt anyone's feelings because his or her name happened to be a long unfamiliar one. So here we are well aware that this passage is with the time when Miss Mason, who was class teacher of room number 13 in the chapter The 100 Dresses, और वो रूम नंबर 13 की क्लास टीचर थी, उनको एक लेटर मिला था और वो लेटर था वांडा पेट्रोंस्की के फादर की तरफ से, तो वो उसी लेटर के बारे में बात कर रही थी. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर, who is the speaker of these lines and to whom is she speaking? So we have to write down the speaker of these lines is Miss Mason and she was speaking to all the students of room number 13 because she was the class teacher of that room. So what was the incident mentioned by the speaker? So it was the incident when Wanda was teased by her classmates. आप ये लिख सकते हैं या आप ये लिख सकते हैं this incident was related with teasing someone by someone. Next is find out a word from the passage similar in meaning to unknown. सो अननोन के लिए जो इसमें वर्ड आया है अनफेमिलियर, क्योंकि अनफेमिलियर का मतलब भी अननोन होता है, जिसके साथ हम फेमिलियर नहीं हैं. सी हियर शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर, पेगी एंड मैडी डिड एन इंसल्टिंग बिहेवियर विद वांडा बट एट लास्ट रियलाइज्ड देयर मिस्टेक. सो एक्सप्लेन. अब आपको इसमें लिखना है कि व्हाट डिड दे डू, उन्होंने क्या किया था. दे स्टार्टेड टीजिंग वांडा, आस्किंग हाउ मेनी ड्रेसेस शी हैड, एंड व्हेन शी लेफ्ट द स्कूल, जब वो स्कूल छोड़कर चली गई, देन मैडी फेल्ट वेरी बैड दैट इट वॉज ड्यू टू दियर बैड बिहेवियर, दियर misbehavior, their rude behavior and teasing manner that Wanda had left the school. Due to that, Maddie felt very bad and Peggy also feeling very bad. So later they realized that they had done very wrong and they must not do like that. Next is here, forgiveness and large-heartedness can transform hatred into acceptance and love. How can this statement be proved? By observing Wanda's selfless gifting of paintings. Maddie kept quick and became a witness to injustice. So do you think taking a stand against injustice is better than keeping quiet and feeling guilty later? So I think yes, it is correct that अगर हम किसी के साथ गलत देख रहे हैं, injustice होता हुआ देख रहे हैं, we are witness, we should stop that and we should oppose it. हमें इसको अपोज करना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट टू टीज एनीवन, टू डू रॉन्ग विद एनीवन. एंड यस, फॉरगिवनेस एंड लार्ज हार्टेडनेस कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म हेट्रेड इनटू एक्सेप्टेंस, बिकॉज वी नो वेरी वेल कि जब वांडा ने अपनी बनाई स्केचेस को हैंडओवर किया पेगी और मैडी को, तो उन लोगों को भी फील हुआ कि दे हैव डन रॉन्ग एंड दे फेल्ट सॉरी फॉर देयर mistakes. So students, you have to fill answers in your LC book, practice book, and I hope you will do that. And then I'm going to stop this. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.